In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Lucidchart dark mode for a more comfortable viewing experience, especially during those late night design sessions. Having a dark mode can help reduce eye strain and energy consumption, and it can also make it easier to focus on your diagrams by minimizing the glare from a bright screen. So let's dive into the process step by step. To begin, go to Lucidchart and open the diagram you want to work on. Whether you're drafting a new design or editing an existing one, the first step is to make sure your project is open and ready to be customized. Once you've selected your diagram, right-click on the blank area surrounding it. This will open a context menu with various options. From the context menu, click on Document Settings. This option will allow you to customize various aspects of your document, including the look and feel of your diagram. In the Document Settings menu, navigate to the Canvas and Page section. This is where you can adjust the properties of your canvas to suit your preferences. Now, locate the option labeled Background Color. This is where you have the flexibility to change the background of your canvas. To create a dark mode effect, select a darker color for your background. Typically, a deep gray or black works nicely to achieve the desired look. This not only gives your diagram a sleek appearance, but also makes the text and other elements stand out more clearly. If you prefer not just a darker canvas, but an overall dark mode experience across Lucidchart, we can take it a step further. Open your Chrome browser and navigate to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type in Dark Mode Extension. There are several extensions available that can enable dark mode across various websites, including Lucidchart. Choose a reliable extension with good ratings and reviews, then click Add to Chrome to install it. Don't forget to enable the extension once it's installed to activate the dark mode feature across your browsing experience. And finally, we're done. You've successfully enabled dark mode for your Lucidchart workspace. Now, not only will your diagrams have a visually appealing dark theme, but your overall browsing experience can be more comfortable on your eyes as well. Whether you're working during the day or burning the midnight oil, dark mode is a chic and practical option. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy diagramming in your new Lucidchart dark mode environment.